In the world of glitz and glam, beautiful hair is a must on and off the set. Today's special guest expert talks tips on keeping your natural hair happy and healthy. Please help me welcome Sapphire. Sapphire! Thank you so much for being my guest today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
So, tell me about yourself, your business, and how long you've been in the hair care industry.
I've been in the hair care industry since 1995.
Wow, you're a veteran.
My business, I started really young. My business is Hair by Sapphire. So now I started out, in the salon, and then I worked my way up into photo shoots, and then I thought I wanted to be a celebrity hairstylist. So then I made a couple moves. So now I do hair for film and television, and I go to clients, I travel to my clients all over.
Okay, wow, and are you from LA originally?
No, I'm originally from Detroit.
Okay, Midwest, I'm from Chicago. I'm excited about that.
Yes.
Now, you know hair all too well. With different hair types, are there hair care tips that apply to people generally?
Generally, pretty much what you put in your body is what comes out in your hair. So, for example, if you're in a low-fat diet, your hair is pretty much going to come out brittle. When it grows out, it's going to be pretty much brittle. Tips would be stay out of the harsh sun. Keep your hair protected if you're in the harsh sun.
Oh, it'll dry it out?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
It would have the same effect on your hair as a flat iron or a curling iron would if you
Oh,
stay,
wow.
if you stay in the sun too long, yes.
Oh, wow. What's too long? That would have a grave effect on your hair?
Well, too long to the point where when you go home at night and you detangle your hair, it's like really tangled and it's breaking off in the comb. Your best bet would probably be to wear something like a straw hat, like a big hat or some type of hat that'll protect your hair.
But how much exposure are we talking? Like a half of a day, like a day on the beach? Is that too much exposure for your hair?
Well, California sun is like no other.
Okay.
So out here in California, if you're in the sun for say maybe more than an hour, like directly in the hot sun for more than an hour, you're gonna feel it. Like your hair is gonna be dry, it's gonna become brittle. So
on days like we've had with like the heat wave,
definitely.
105.
Yeah, you're probably gonna see more breakage when it's time to either shampoo your hair or comb your hair out at the end of the day.
Wow.
No doubt. Yeah.
Okay, so recovering from that, so you did spend the day at the beach, your hair is burned or dry or brittle, breaking, what are some quick fixes for that?
I wouldn't say quick fix, but because you have to do some time either under a plastic cap or under a dryer, would be to do some moisturizing treatment, some deep penetrating moisturizer treatment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Well, those are good tips, and what you eat does make a difference.
Oh yeah.
And then water intake, I presume, as well.
Yeah. If you have a low water intake, your hair is going to be pretty much dry. Same with your skin. It's the same.
And so how much water would you recommend your clients
I
drink?
would say anywhere from 6 to 8 glasses of water. Yeah.
A day.
Yeah, and results will vary depending on your body type. If you find yourself just going to the bathroom profusely, excessively, then you probably can take it down a notch depending on your body type.
To cut down on the frequent urination.
Yeah,
but
because sometimes you don't want to put too much work on your body organs. If your body is okay with just 6 glasses. Keep it at 6 glasses.
Okay, I
all
understand.
That extra,
but it is helpful. That's a good place to start. To moisturize the hair and keep the strength of it. Now, many believe that extensions, relaxers, and color are damaging to the hair, and they absolutely steer clear, right? So if you're using those types of products, what tips do you recommend to protect natural hair from damage?
After every chemical service, I highly recommend getting a deep protein treatment as well as a deep moisturizing treatment to kind of offset a lot of that damage. Also, you want to prep your hair before you do get those kind of services done on your hair. So if you know, for example, relaxer time is coming up in about 3 weeks, you want to really beef up the treatments, the moisturizing treatments and the protein treatments, so that when it's time to do your relaxer, it's not as damaging on your hair. And also, don't, for example, if you're getting a relaxer, don't relax it bone straight, because you want to leave some elasticity in the hair.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's a good tip. That's a really good tip. So we talked about the daily amount of water. Do you recommend vitamins for people that are, looking to have healthier hair?
I would only recommend vitamins if you're not getting the right amount of vitamins and nutrients that getting in your everyday eating.
Because they have like hair, nail vitamins on the market. Like biotin is very popular hair vitamin. So.
I always recommend just getting it from the food source itself. If you say, okay, I need to increase my biotin intake, I would recommend getting it from the food
and opposed to the vitamins.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
I like that. What are some quick ways to maintain great hair? I'll start over. What are some quick ways to maintain great hair even when you're short on time?
Maintain great hair when you're short on time.
Because it's kind of, you kind of have to take the time to do it. So for like a busy professional who may not have time to do the deep conditioning per se, I guess you just have to make the time. Huh?
Yeah, definitely. For things like moisturizing your hair and getting that protein in your hair, you have to do the time. In terms of like maintaining a style or keeping a style up, let's just say, for example, you go to the salon every 2 weeks and you get a blow dry and a curl. Okay, if you want to help keep the hair healthy, either wrap the hair every night so you won't have to keep putting the flat iron and curling iron through it, or put rollers in your hair. But if the rollers are causing breakage, which a lot of them do, just pretty much
from it being too tight.
Yeah, and you sleeping on them. And you sleeping on it. That actually is the part that creates the most breakage, is you sleeping with
on
those
the rollers.
Yes.
From the tension, is it tension of it pressing
while you're sleeping? Yeah, while you're sleeping, and then you don't know what's going on while you're tossing and turning.
I never thought about that. Okay.
Yeah, so in lieu of rollers, you can also just roll the hair up on a roller and then slide it out of that roller and just create pin curls.
Oh, okay.
That way
that's a good idea.
Your body heat is working with that pin curl to help keep that curl defined. So when you get up in the morning, all you have to do is just pull those curls out and shake and go, or brush and go.
Oh, right. I love it. Well, this hair is bouncing and moving around over
here. Yeah. Right now, I'm just freelance. I travel worldwide, wherever. I do wig styling, I do wig making, hairstyling, design wigs.
So you do it all. Okay, well, how can people stay in contact with you if they're interested in your services?
They can stay in contact via my website. It's hairbysapphire.com.
Okay, hairbysapphire.com. Go check it out. You're on social media as well, right? Facebook,
yes, Facebook, just Hair by Sapphire, all one word once you log onto Facebook.
All right, awesome. Well, go ahead and follow, and I want to thank you for talking to me today and helping us all have healthier hair.
Yes,
thank you.